Hello, welcome to all on my YouTube channel, Proofcraft. Please do like and subscribe if you like the information, and press the bell icon.
The history of mathematics, from ancient numbers to modern theories. From counting sheep in ancient fields to unraveling the mysteries of black holes, mathematics has been the invisible thread weaving through human history. But where did it all begin? How did it evolve into the universal language we use today? Join us on a journey through the captivating history of mathematics. Ancient beginnings. Egyptian pyramids, Babylonian tablets, ancient Chinese abacuses. Mathematics began not in classrooms, but in the practical realms of commerce, agriculture, and astronomy. Around 4,000 years ago, the Babylonians developed a base 60 number system, which is why we have 60 minutes in an hour and 360 degrees in a circle. In ancient Egypt, geometry was essential for constructing the pyramids and measuring flooded fields. The term geometry itself comes from geo, earth, and metry, measurement. Meanwhile, scholars in China and India created early methods for solving equations and grasped the concept of place value long before their European counterparts. The Greek Revolution. Busts of Pythagoras, Euclid, Plato, animations of geometric proofs. The Greeks revolutionized mathematics by introducing the concept of proof. Pythagoras, c. 570 to 495 BCE, connected numbers to harmony, and his famous theorem remains a cornerstone of geometry. Euclid, c. 300 BCE, published Elements, establishing geometry as a deductive system that progresses from axioms to theorems, a structure still in use today. Archimedes advanced this further by employing infinitesimals to estimate areas and volumes, laying the groundwork for early calculus. Mathematics in the Islamic Golden Age. Libraries of Baghdad, Arabic numerals, Al-Khwarizmi writing. During Europe's Dark Ages, Islamic scholars preserved and expanded upon Greek mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi, working in 9th century Baghdad, authored a groundbreaking book on solving equations. His name is the source of the term algorithm, and his work on algebra laid the foundation for algebra. These scholars also adopted Hindu Arabic numerals, including the concept of zero, which was formalized in India by Brahmagupta. The Renaissance and symbolic notation. Fibonacci, printing press, Descartes plotting graphs. The 13th century marked a revival of mathematical study in Europe. Fibonacci introduced the numeral system and posed the famous rabbit problem, now known as the Fibonacci sequence. By the 17th century, symbolic algebra emerged. René Descartes combined geometry with algebra, giving rise to analytic geometry, which forms the foundation of the Cartesian plane. The calculus era. Newton and Leibniz, moving planets, derivative symbols. Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, working independently, developed calculus, the mathematics of change. Their discoveries explained planetary motion and laid the groundwork for physics, igniting centuries of debate over mathematical rigor. The 19th to 20th century explosion. Cantor's set theory, Gödel's portrait, abstract algebra symbols, computers. The 19th century witnessed a surge in abstraction, introducing group theory, real analysis, non-Euclidean geometry, and set theory. George Cantor explored different sizes of infinity, while David Hilbert presented 23 unsolved problems. Kurt Gödel's incompleteness theorems profoundly impacted mathematics. Simultaneously, mathematics merged with technology. From Turing's logic to modern algorithms, math became the foundation of computing. Mathematics today and tomorrow. Data science, quantum computing, AI equations, chalkboards, mathematicians at work. Today, mathematics drives the digital world, influencing AI, quantum theory, cryptography, and climate modeling. We continue to solve age-old problems while discovering new ones. Montage of people studying math, teaching, and exploring nature. From tally marks to tensors, mathematics is humanity's ever-evolving language. It serves as a record of our curiosity, a map of our minds, and perhaps the key to understanding the universe. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more mathematical explorations.